me in his vibe, in his zone. I'd like to ask you a question, Swam.
Sure.
Have you ever been heartbroken?
Okay, let me take a deep breath here. Many times. Once I remember I couldn't eat, couldn't sleep. Her face was even in my plate, okay? I could see her everywhere. So for heartbroken lovers, the song hits differently, like it did for me. I could see the chief guest and the dignitaries grooving along. I can tell you guys have been heartbroken. For sure, definitely. Yeah, thank you, Brother James, once again. And is Maithonliu ready? The hot, the sexy, the sizzling? You guys agree? But she don't like upas, unfortunately. She likes real men, okay? So let's give it up once more for Maithonliu Marenmai.
Maithonliu, Marenmai, the stage is yours to trash your ex. Not interested. You guys. Oh, really? Come on. Georgia, wrap me up in all ya. I want ya in my arms, so let me hold ya. I'll never let you go again like I did. Oh, I used to say I would never fall in love again until I found her. I said I would never fall unless it's you I fall into. I was lost within a darkness, but then I found her. I found you. Georgia, pull me in. I asked you, oh come on, love her. Once again you felt I caught you. I'll never let you go again like I did. Oh, I used to say I would never fall in love again until I found her. I said I would never fall unless it's you I fall into. I was lost within a darkness, but then I found her. I found you. You boys, are you guys missing your ex right now? We'll fall in love again until I found her. I said I would never nervous tonight because you guys are looking so hot and sexy tonight. Okay, so the first song I'm gonna sing, Until I Found You. And this song, I'm dedicating the song to one of my ex. But I don't want him back, by the way. Okay, so I'm gonna take time. Actually, we are not that prepared, actually. I'm so sorry for this inconvenience tonight. Boys, it's fine. I'm for you, and the girls is for James Remai, okay? Yeah? Thank you! That's so sweet of you guys. Upas? We have upas here as well, huh? By the way, I don't like upas much. I prefer a real man, okay?
Hello. Nice try, all the upas. Miane. Keep trying.
Okay, so when he's getting ready for it, regarding the Faith Line, I joined in a band called Faith Line. Actually, I'm not a main vocalist, and it is a gospel band, by the way. We have a YouTube channel. Please go and check it out. If you guys liked it, please do comments and subscribe our channel. And yeah, let's support each other. And if you share anything in our comment section, we will learn and we will be able to do it better next time as well.
Okay, every performance is special, okay, tonight. Sorry for the inconvenience, for the technical problem. Meanwhile, I would like to call upon Ye Hingle Indang, the PRS of ZSUD, for some presentation time.
Sometimes in relationship, you have to be romantic, you know? Are you enjoying with me right now? Great. Because my songs are a bit lazy, boring. It's a slow song. Thank you! Oh gosh, you guys, shut up. I'm damn single. You don't know, babe, when you won't you give yourself to me and give it all? I just wanna see how beautiful you are. You know that I see it. I know you're a star. When you go, I follow, no matter how far. If life is a movie, oh, you're the best part. Oh, you're the best part. Oh, best part is the sunrise and wake up. It's the sunrise and those brown eyes, yes. You're the one that I desire. When we wake up, then we make love. You make me feel so nice. You're the water when I'm stuck in a desert. You're the Tylenol I take when my head hurts. You're the sunshine of my life. I just wanna see how beautiful you are. You know that I see it. I know you're a star. No matter what follow, no matter what. If life is a movie, oh, you're the best part. Oh, you're the best part. Oh, best part. If you love me, won't you say something? If you love me, won't you? If you love me, won't you say something? If you love me, won't you? Love me, won't you? If you love me, won't you say something? If you love me, won't you? If you love me, won't you say something? If you love me, won't you? Love me, won't you? Sorry, I messed up a little with this song.